Let's learn all about the letter B. We're going to use our Play-Doh to outline the letter B. B makes the B sound. B for butterfly. Let's use our Play-Doh to fill in the butterfly's body. Body. Body starts with B also. Boys and girls, the upper half of a butterfly's body is called the thorax. The bottom half is called the abdomen. Now, boys and girls, let's use some bright Play-Doh colors to fill in the wings. Whatever colors we put on one side of our butterfly's wings, we have to put on the other side, as most butterfly wings are symmetrical. The word symmetrical means that the butterfly wings look exactly the same on both sides. Boys and girls, can you think of other words that start with the letter B? How about the word ball? Or boat? Or bird? What other words can you think of? We're almost done creating our beautiful symmetrical butterfly. Let's create a lovely blue sky where our butterfly can be free to fly around. Although a butterfly does not sleep, they do like to rest. Boys and girls, did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? That's really cool. Thank you so much for learning the letter B and all about butterflies with me today, my friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.